Our hat is getting bigger and bigger because we've been going around pulling the bottom 2 stitches over the top 2 stitches, and we've been applying our yarn around the pegs. But now we're moving along here, and I've done pretty much the whole hat here, and I get to this one particular one here. I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot. When I get ready to pull these 2 stitches up over the top 2, I notice that the top 2 are not there. It's just one. So this is a problem. So if you have a top 2 where one of them is missing, look right behind it and you'll usually see that piece of yarn sticking back there. That's why it's so useful to have the 2 different colors. Now what we're going to do is we are going to pull these 2 pieces of yarn back on, because we took one of them off, and we just pull them back on, and then we're ready to go. Just make sure that they're going in the same direction that the other pieces of yarn are going. Now we're ready to take the bottom 2 and pull it over the top 2 and finish our row. It's pretty easy to fix if you have one missing on the top like that.